Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and today we will be discussing about Norma Verticalis. So it is the superior view of the skull. So first we will see it from the diagram and then we will come to the model. So let us see. So first of all, we can see here it is this blue color bone is what it is the frontal bone, right? And this purple color bone is occipital bone. So these are the bones which we can view from the superior side, from the superior view of skull. So this is the frontal bone and this is the occipital bone. Here are two parietal bones which we can see from the superior view. These are two parietal bones, and this is the frontal bone and this is the occipital bone. Now we will study the sutures present between them. So this suture which is separating the frontal bone from the two parietal bone, the suture is known as coronal suture, right? And here is one suture which is separating these two parietal bones from this occipital bone, right? So there is one suture which is separating these two parietal bone from this occipital bone. This is known as lambdoidal suture. So this is lambdoidal suture and this is coronal suture. Now here is this suture present which is separating the two parietal bone. This is known as the sagittal suture. Now these are the three sutures which we can see from the superior view. One is the coronal suture, this one, this is the sagittal one, and this is what, this is the lambdoidal suture. And there are three bones. This is the frontal bone, these are two parietal bones, and this is occipital bones which we can see from the superior view. Now we will see some points. This is a point known as bragma. It is the meeting point of coronal suture and the sagittal suture. You can see here that this coronal suture is meeting with sagittal suture. Now this is the point of meeting of lambdoidal and sagittal suture. It is known as lambda. So bragma is the meeting point of coronal and sagittal suture, and this lambda is the meeting point of lambdoidal suture and the sagittal suture. Now we will see it from the model. See, this orange color bone is known as, these are the two parietal bones, and the suture present between these two parietal bone is known as sagittal suture. Now this purple color bone in this 3D model, this is what? This is frontal bone. It is the superior view, right, of the skull. Then this yellow color bone is what? It is the occipital bone. And the suture present between this occipital bone and these two parietal bones is the what? It is lambdoidal suture which is separating the occipital bone from the two parietal bone, and this is the coronal suture separating the frontal bone from the two parietal bone. And this, you can see here the suture present between the two parietal bones. This is what? This is the sagittal suture. Then you can see here the meeting point of the sagittal suture with the coronal suture. This is known as what? This is known as bragma. And this, the meeting point of sagittal suture with the lambdoidal suture, it is what? It is lambda. So I hope you like the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share my channel. Thank you.